Good day, sir. I will discuss now the Annex 3 Regulation 5 to 8. First one is the Regulation 5, General Requirements. In this regulations or in this Regulation 5 outlines the general requirements for packaging, labeling, and marking of harmful substances. It specifies that packages should be designed and constructed to prevent leakage and spills. Adequate labeling and marking are essential to ensure that those handling the substances are fully aware of the hazards. Next one is the Regulation 6. Regulation 6 permits and documentations focuses on permits and documentations. It requires shippers to provide documentation detailing properties and hazards of harmful substances, ensuring that the crew and authorities are informed and prepared for safe transportation. This regulation is fundamental in risk mitigation. Next one is Regulation 7, Stowage and Segregation. Regulation 7 emphasizes stowage and segregation. It dictates that harmful substances should be stowed in a manner that prevents contact with other incompatible substances, reducing the risk of dangerous chemical reactions. During transportations, this regulation underscores the importance of proper planning in hazardous cargo management. And the next one is the Regulation 8, Inspection and Examination. Regulation 8 outlines procedures for inspection and examinations. It involves regular inspection of packages and documentations to verify compliance with regulations. The aim is to ensure that harmful substances are transported safely and that any deficiencies are promptly addressed. That's all po, sir. Thank you.